a different Lagos.
So welcome to Lakwe Lakes Golf and Country Estate.
Lagos that breathes. A Lagos designed for serenity and progress. Welcome to Lagos New Town, a sanctuary within the chaos, a city built with the future in mind.
What is a city but its people? Lagos New Town has something for everyone, and it is a perfect choice for the smart investor and the smart consumer. And at Mixta Africa, we're putting our people and our consumers at the heart of the projects that we deliver. So we have something for everyone. Your young working families, your professionals, your entrepreneurs, your retirees, your high net worth individuals, or your aspirational graduate who wants to get on the housing ladder.
Lagos New Town is a new community that we're building along the Lekki-Epe Expressway. Upon completion, it's meant to have a population of over 200,000 people. It's a development which we started about 10 years ago. In that period, we've made a lot of investments. We've built new communities, but it's still a work in progress. So you asked the question, why do we believe Lagos needs a new town, so to speak? I think not many people realize the extent of the challenge that we have in the city of Lagos. If you look at the last 60 years or so, the population of the city has grown by over 2,000%. By comparison, you could look at the city of London, the population of about 8 million people in 1960, and you'd be shocked to note that today, the city of London still has a population under 10 million people. Compare that to Lagos in 1960, less than 1 million people. And today we have 20 million people living in the city. And it's clear that the government hasn't been able to spend enough money to provide the infrastructure for that population growth. And I think for us, we've taken all of this on board. We think that new communities are required. At the center of that is the need to provide infrastructure to make such communities function the way existing places, communities do not. And for Mixta, that's really the motivation to create that new environment.
Lagos New Town is more than a vision. It is a reality taking shape. Structured and built for comfort, it offers an escape from the unending